Hi, Rick Jones here with yet another Tuesday 2-minute tip. If you can't run with the big dogs, then stay on the porch. That's right, the porch is safe. But there is an incredible world out there for those willing to venture out. Oh, I know, it's scary out there, and you'll probably get bitten or trampled a time or two. But what doesn't kill us will make us stronger and tougher. The scary world gets less scary. Too often people don't succeed because they're afraid of failure. Fear can be debilitating if not confronted. My dear friend and great former coach of the LSU Tigers, Coach Dale Brown, agrees that fear of failure prevents legions of people from being successful. Coach Brown points out that Babe Ruth still holds the record for the most strikeouts, but he's much better known for all of his successes. He may have swung and missed a lot, but he persevered. Talk about a lack of fear of failure. Coach also points out that one of the greatest thinkers and mathematicians of all time, Albert Einstein, claimed that 90% of his mathematical equations were wrong. No one sees him as a failure today. He certainly was not afraid of failure. So dare greatly, get off the damn porch and run. Remember, all big dogs were once little dogs. And that's your Tuesday 2-minute tip.